dito sa ating tambayan. Marami tayong blessing in food.
Yes, lahat sila ay katakam-takam. Pero if you are fasting for Lent, hinay-hinay lang.
Paano ulit? Guys, parang love din yan eh. Kapag separated ka sa food, it makes the stomach go fonder.
Well, meat or no meat, abstaining or not, we have servings for both. At ang ating unang handa, food on the go from Houston, Texas, kasamang ating best friends sa kusina.
Bueno, pangpabuenas!
Wow!
Tayo nang mag-eat and run!
Eto na naman ng paborito niyong kaibigan sa kusina, si Ron Vilaro po. Ano mga ka-nation, gutom na ba kayo? Okay, nandito po tayo sa Museum District ng Houston kung saan isang food truck po, Pinoy food truck to be exact, ang makakasama natin in today's segment ng Eat and Ron. Alam niyo naman, ang food truck, pabago-bago po yan ang assignment, di ba? But in today's episode, dito po namin sila natagpuan sa Museum District ng Houston. Mga kapamilya, pasukin natin at tikman ang The Jeepney Truck, isang food truck dito po sa Houston. Alam niyo ba mga kapamilya, this business to The Jeepney Truck, that is the name of the business, has only been in the business for about 8 months. Magwa 1 year pa lang po sila. But then it's getting a lot of reviews and good reviews, if I may say. If you happen to be in the area, check this out. Okay. I love Spam. The sarsyado is good. Iginisa yung bawang sibuyas kamatis and then inihalo yung Spam. Sarsyadong Spam. Very clever. Tapos, nilagyan nila ng ketchup. So parang ang dating, siguro kung ito lalagyan ng spaghetti, noodles, sa ilalim, parang matamis o Filipino style spaghetti yung dating na may Spam. Lumpiang sariwa without the wrapper. May tofu. Uy, ang bango. Amoy na amoy mo yung tokwa. As simple as it sounds, I think there's a certain flavor to it na gusto ko. Because simple, light, pero masarap. Good. Parang amoy siopaw feeling to ba?
Yeah, kasi yung star anise.
Star anise. Okay, parang, alam mo kapamilya, naaamoy ko lang, parang amoy patatim, may konting taba, braised beef, may carrots, bay leaves, star anise, yung po yung pangpabango. Let's try. Ang sarap. Medyo may konting mamantika, but then I can look away and ignore that because masarap. You know, itong dish na to works perfectly sa mga Pinoy na lumaki sa Pilipinas, na mahilig sa taba like this one. Check this out, okay? Kakainin ko lang yung laman for now. Ang sarap.
These are cascaron balls.
Cascaron? Alright, what is cascaron?
It's a Mexico flour, langka, and it's deep fried. And it comes with a white chocolate sauce with langka juice in it.
Okay. Very nice. So, dessert time, mga ka-nation. I have some major issues on this dessert. It is so damn good, I won't share it with you. This is one good reason why you should come to the Jeepney Truck because it is good. Magpapaalam na po ako sa iyo. Sobrang natuwa ako dito because you know, the owners, they were just so humble and they're very nice, warm, and accommodating. Ito po si Ron Vilaro, ituloy natin ang kwentuhan sa Chef Ron Vilaro Facebook page. Ako lang po ang nag-iisa niyong kaibigan sa kusina, di ba? Magkita-kita po tayo next week sa isa na namang napakasarap na segment ng Eat and Ron.